afternoon, sir, and all my friends. On this occasion, I will present about the database. What is the database? A database is a collection of data that is organized and stored electronically. The data can be in the form of words, numbers, images, video, and files. Database also have function, namely, make it easy for users to search, store, and discharge information, and makes it easy to analyze large amounts of data to find theories, patterns, and conclusion. In the database itself, there are also 15 types of database, namely distributed database, relation database, object-oriented database, centralized database, open source database, cloud database, data warehouse, no SQL database, graph database, OSLTP database, personal database, multimodal database, document or JSON database, hierarchy database, and network DBMS. Next, kita akan bahas salah satu tipe. Yang pertama, tipe distributed database. What is the distributed database? A distributed database is a database that consists of two or more files located in different states, either on the same network or on entirely different networks. And a distributed database, it is also a database that runs and stores data across multiple computers as opposed to doing everything on a single machine. Typical distributed database system operation on two or more interconnect server on a computer network. Its location where a version of the database is running is often called an instance or not. A distribution database, for example, might have instance running in New York and California, or it might have instance running on 3 separate mentioned in New York. A traditional single instance database in context only runs in a single location on a single machine. Di distributed database juga terdapat function. The function of a distributed database is to ensure high data availability and provide fast and reliable data access. And high availability distributed database ensure that data and database are always available, and channeling data through enterprise work groups. It each of which is processed independently. Yang kedua yaitu tipe relational database. What is the relational database? A relational database is a type of database that stores and provides access to data points that are related to one another, and also is a collection of data items with predefined relations stored in rows and columns that collectively from a table that has relationship with each other. In a relation database, each row in the tables is a record with a unique ID called the key. The columns of the table hold attribute of the data, and each record usually has. Di relation database juga terdapat function. The function of a relation database is maintain data consistency and maintain data flexibility. And for example, a relation database is MySQL and MariaDB. Oke, kita next. Type object oriented database. What is the object oriented database? Object oriented database is a database that uses the concept of object oriented programming to store data in the form of class. The function of an object-oriented database is to handle complex data efficiently. And for example, an object-oriented database is ObjectDB. ObjectDB is an object database for Java that oversees performance and supports GPA and ZDO, focusing on deep integration with Java application. ObjectDB is able to offer an optimal solution for object-based application. Yang kedua, DB4O. DB4O is one such object database that provides the power of flexibility and efficiency for Java and net application. DB4O eliminates the need for application data conversion by storing data directly as object. For type database, example, centralized database. What is the centralized database? A centralized database is a system where all information is stored in one location, such as a server or mainframe computer, and can be accessed from multiple points, and also is a database that is located, stored, and maintained in a single location. Di centralized database ini juga terdapat function. The function of a centralized database is to reduce data redundancy and to improve security. Dan juga terdapat example. An example of a centralized database is a human resource management system that stores inflow data, payroll processing, and login history in one place. Yang kelima, tipe data yang kelima yaitu open source database. What is the open source database? Open source database are database application that can be viewed, download, moved, distributed, and resourced. For 3DS, database have an open source license that give developer the freedom to use exciting database technologies to build new application. Yang keenam, tipe yang keenam yaitu cloud database. What is the cloud database? A cloud database is a database that runs on a cloud computing platform and is used to store, manage, and organize data for an organization. Cloud database can be deployed in a public, hybrid, or private cloud environment. Dan juga terdapat example. An example of cloud database is Amazon RDS and Amazon DynamoDB. And terdapat juga function. Yang pertama, help organize, store, and manage data that can be accessed from anywhere. Next, tipe 7, tipe data yang ketujuh yaitu data warehouse. What is the data warehouse? Data warehouse or data warehouse is a computer system that stores and analyzes data from various sources to help companies make decisions, and is also a computer system for storing or archiving data from various sources that are generally applied in a company or organization. A data warehouse has several functions, namely collecting data from various sources into one place, facilitate access and decision making, and collect structured and semi-structured and structured data. Yang ke-8, NoSQL database. NoSQL database terdapat function. The function of NoSQL database is to store, manage, and access data that does not conform to the conventional table structure of SQL database. That NoSQL database terdapat juga pengertiannya, yaitu NoSQL is an approach to database design that allows the storage and querying of data outside of the traditional structure found in relational database. Database NoSQL dalam juga terdapat example. Yang pertama, MongoDB and Redis. Tipe yang ke-9 yaitu Graph database. Graph database juga terdapat fungsi, yaitu the main function of a graph database is to manage and interpret complex data relationship efficiently and quickly. What is the graph database? Graph database is a type of a database that is used to store data that has complex relationship and is also a database that uses a graph data structure that has node, edge, and property component to represent data storage. This database uses a graph structure, which is a network of nodes and edges to represent data. Tipe yang ke-10 yaitu OSLTP database. What is the OSLTP database? OSLTP database are which able to perform fast query processing and maintaining data integrity in multi-access environment. Dan juga terdapat function. The function of OSLTP database are to manage and process transaction in real time and to process data quickly. Tipe yang ke-11 yaitu personal database. What is the personal database? A personal database is a type of database that is used to store and process data locally on a personal computer. This database is suitable for small cell data management or individual use. Dan juga terdapat example. For example of a personal database are Microsoft Access, which is a database management system DBMS. With Microsoft Access, user can create their own database, add data, run queries to search or filter data, create forms and reports to view and analyze data. Yang 12 yaitu tipe multimodal database. What is the multimodal database? Multimodal database is a database that can handle different type of data and data models such as document, key value, graphical, spatial, and relational. Dan terdapat juga example. Example of multimodal database are SQL Server, Azure SQL Managed Instance, and MariaDB. Saya akan melanjutkan tipe database yang ke-13 yaitu document or JSON database. What is the document or JSON database? Dokumen atau JavaScript Object Nation is a file format and data interchange standard that use human readable text to store and transmit data. The function of the document or JSON database is for transmitting data and storing structured data. Next, yang ke-14, tipe yang ke-14 yaitu hierarchical database. What is the hierarchical database? A hierarchical database is a database management system or DBMS that organizes data in a tree-like structure with parent-child relationship between records and function the hierarchical database. The function of a hierarchical database is organize data hierarchical, thus facilitating data retrieval, data understanding, and database scalability. Next, tipe yang ke-15 yaitu network DBMS. What is the network DBMS? Network Database Management System atau DBMS is a type of DBMS that organizes data in the form of a network. Data in network DBMS is organized in a graph structure where each record is connected to several primary and secondary records. Dan juga terdapat function yaitu a database management system. DBMS has several functions including to manage DBMS data, to improve DBMS data security, and to maintain data quality. DBMS can detect and correct data errors and maintain material presentation for me. Please apology if there are mistakes in the use of words. All and thank you.